So this is Dr. Bhupesh once again. I am recording this letter, and वो मैंने आपको बता दिया that question paper can be anything. I am more an expert to help you with the answer paper कि answer कैसे बनाना है. So I am writing this letter regarding Mr. Williams, who has been our patient since last 8 days. आप ऐसा भी लिख सकते हो, लेकिन risk है, क्यों लेना है? So who has been assessed with nerve root compression and disc prolapse, which is not getting relieved with the medications. Hence, he is being referred under your expertise on urgent basis via ambulance as his condition is deteriorating for hospitalization and orthopedic assessment. ये पहले लिख देना था. For hospitalization, he is being referred under your expertise for hospitalization and orthopedic assessment because his condition is continuously decreasing. On first visit, ये वाली बातें मत लिखो. On first visit, he presented with the lower back pain, for which and due to which assessment of assessment of, ये मैंने आपको कल भी सिखाया था कि जब और वर्ड देते हैं इसको और ही लिखते हैं. Assessment of pro disc prolapse or nerve root irritation from the facet joint function was made. Assessment of this disease was made, and he was advised to take bed rest for 2 days along with few NSAIDs. After 2 days, there was no change in the condition, but there was no improvement as well. So he was advised to continue the same medications, but to take it 3 times daily rather than 2. 2 days back, when the patient returned, the pain was radiating to the leg as well, and it was more constant in nature. He could walk only slowly, and his SLR decreased to 30 degree, which was 45 degree in the first visit. Also, his glucose was found to be high, the reason of which was found to be his inactivity. So he was advised about the diet modification. Today, he has been visited at his home as his pain has increased overnight in the back and also in the leg. Along with that, the pain is not controlled even by the medication, and his SLR is 10 degrees only at the moment. Further, he has decreased toes extension and ankle flexion, and even the pin sensation has been decreased. मतलब इस पिन प्रिक सेंसेशन, मतलब ये सब कम हो गया. एक तो हिला नहीं पा रहा है कुछ भी अपने टोस को, और ऊपर से प्रिक का भी नहीं पता लग रहा है. इसी से तो पता लग रहा है नर्व रूट में कोई दिक्कत हुई है, क्योंकि नर्व की प्रॉब्लम है, तभी तो इसको कुछ पता नहीं लग रहा है. So he has been assessed with nerve root compression and disc prolapse, which is not relieved by the medication. ये बात को लिखो कि मेन रीजन ये है. So your expertise is highly required. बस इतना काफी है. So your expertise is highly required. So this is my letter. अब मैंने जो words बोले अब